To use spacebar to switch between languages in Samsung keyboard in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find general management. Tap general management and then tap Samsung keyboard setting. Tap languages and types. Tap language switching method and then select spacebar swipe. To see the result, go to an app where you can type with your Samsung keyboard. To switch between input languages you have added and enabled in your Samsung keyboard, swipe the spacebar to the left or to the right until it displays the language you like to use with. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.